Okay, so let's recap for what happened with the gold price today after we discuss about the fall of um, the gold and also euro currency. Yeah. So remember that before the price was, I mean the dollar, the DXY, the dollars index was hanging around back and forth, testing the POC, which is like the POC is exactly same like yesterday, and it didn't come lower. So every times the price going back to the POC, there's always a bias. And then last discussion, the price was staying near the high of yesterday high. I mean, like last week high, and also the yesterday high, of course. Then um, the price break, make a fresh like this, and now highlight that. So what happening is, if we go to the uh, euro that I mentioned on the chart, I was saying that the look the dollars at the beginning of the um, New York session trade above this level, the high of last week and the high of yesterday. And at that time, the euro dollars already break low, and that's the sign of the weakness, and which is also the sign of the strength to the dollars. So the dollar's strength was confirmed by um, the weakening of the euro. But at that time, the um, the gold was hanging over at the high. And I say to the chat, well, think about the gambling mindset. You know, we have to evidence the dollar is very strong and the euro is very weak. So, but the gold was near the high, right? So the best point, if you are a gambler, the best point is try to sell or to short the gold because the risk was not far from our position, and we can see the potential of the falling down. We have this, and we have this area. That's the minimum. That's the minimum. So as long the dollar stay above this level and the euro confirming and never come back, then it's. I mean, like I'm not saying it must be, but I can say it's a biggest probability. We have the infinite hypothesis. So we short with the target this one and that one. And now in here, right? That's the trait that we have to put in our mind, when we see like this. What happened if we waiting until the market open? Well, that's different story. That's a different story that we have to develop, right? So that's the first one. And the second thing, when the price going down, free fall, we have to aware that the low of the gold during the Asian session before the European session was here, and which is it tests the yesterday low also. So we have to be ready for this. We we cannot just get panic when the market fall down and we don't want to do anything. We have to prepare. Yeah, we have to prepare. Look at this one. The price went down, tested again the low of this one, and just couple of ticks below yesterday low, and it bounced back. This is a good setup. Same like in here. Maybe we can say like, hey, um, the euro was free fall and the dollar is very strong. But look, you know, this is, I mean, it could be the price becomes slowing down, right? So let's say we try to borrow the gambling mindset. Think about it, it's already fall very fast, and it's very rare if the market just keep going down. Maybe, the speed slowing down. So the goal have possibility to short covering. I mean, it can go down, but think about it. This is our risk. That's very small, right? And we can use other method to, to get into it. So if we try to buy in here, where is it super? I mean, like, where is our expectation? Our expectation, it's back to the POC area around here. If we can see, this one is about 7,000, right? So if we can, right, maybe we just you can see that the today POC is around 7,000, and you know that the POC is the most fair value for today. You know, this is the POC for yesterday. This is the POC for today. Mhm. So that what happened. We can uh, we can try to buy. I will teach you later how to use the Wyckoff to take the momentum for this. But at least this area is our target. When we buy this one and the market moves so far, we try to to sell it. We buy here and we try to sell one because we are here, two and three, right? And the market was shoot up a little bit high, but think about it. This is the end of the first hour. Look at this one. The price getting, I mean, like the euro getting more weakened, and also um, what? Okay, and we have this one, the dollars. The dollars they, I mean, like went up, going down, but look at this. Okay, it's pull by. Sorry, it's pulling back, and this is also pulling back. We can see if there is no extension, if the price, the dollar is not going back below this level, then we can find this. You know, this is our first sign. We can sell it. Don't think about how much the risk, how much the stop. I mean, like, where is our stop? Just think about it first. We can come with a technical after we get used to it to plan our trade based on the current condition. That's very important because once you know that one, you can you can trade little bit more careless as long you know where's the risk and where's the potential. And also you can see what is the probability, what is the evidence, right? So that's the important thing. So this is what happened. That's why I say when you ask like, so what happened next? Nothing. The market already moved. We just sit and see another opportunity. Just before uh, I make this recording, I trade. I made a small trade. Let me do this. Let me turn off the bubble. Okay. Yep. Hey, the market was here. I took the buy. Hang on. I used the 5 minute chart. Yes. Yep, that's better. So the price went down, testing this level, right? And then half the buying. I see the volume also. This is big. Yeah. Normally, when this kind of the big, the market going down, but it's not. So I buy, take a risk, yeah, and I try to sell it. And this is what happened. Very small one, decent one, but you know, it's okay. Remember the traders, we're trying to find the opportunity. Why we not, I mean, like, why I don't want to aim more higher than that? We don't have to. The market may be already tired and the dollars maybe not, you know, not willing to pulling down. So let it be. We done for today. We can try to find other opportunity, but we have to be careful because the market become very tight. You know, so that's the thing. So what the plan for tomorrow? Well, first of all, if you look at the gold, if okay, this is for a couple of days, for 3 days, we have the value area around here, right? Then since Monday, this area was buying back, and then yesterday, price down this level and buying back. Today also same. The question is, will the buyer willing to pay high? If not, what happened? The price may fall. But it's already late. I mean, like we still can trade, but I prefer to leave it because you have to understand, after lunchtime, after 1 p.m. in the London market, mostly the swing trader, the big institution, trying to put their uh, position. So uh, if we are anticipating the bigger investor, the bigger player to come in, then we have to give more time for them to accumulate, the inventory. So that's one thing. So today we just relax and we will see what is the reaction on the Asian session, you know, when the price is going back. So maybe we can see, you know, on the top of here or here to short it again back to value area. That's one thing. But if the price cannot stay tomorrow, if it cannot stay back above to the POC, we will see a lot of selling competition back to the breakout. And that's the first test, right? So it is like that. So that's it for today. And okay, yeah, and have a good night.